Good morning, friends. Myself, Professor R.B. Kapre, Assistant Professor, Department of Agricultural Entomology. Today, we will discuss the most important topic in insect ecology and integrated pest management. Today, we have to discuss the first topic, IPM. IPM means integrated pest management. The different tools of IPM, cultural methods, different agronomical practices also used in these methods. Second tools, mechanical methods. Third tools, biological methods. In these methods, different bioagents like parasitoids, predators are also used for control the pest. Fourth tools, chemical methods, different pesticides, insecticides also used. Next, microbial methods or microbial controls, uses of different microorganisms like fungi, bacteria, viruses are also used in these methods. And physical methods, in these methods use of different physical factors like biotic and abiotic means temperature, humidity, rainfall for modification or control the pest. Okay, now today we have to discuss the first important tools, cultural methods of pest control. Definition of cultural methods, manipulation of cultural practices to the disadvantages of pest means use of different agronomical practices also used for control the different pest. Such agronomical practices like crop rotation, tillage operation, plowing the field, etc. Now the first agronomical practice is crop rotation. Crop rotation means growing of host crop successively will provide continuous supply of food resulting in increase of same insect. Ideal crop rotation, example of ideal crop rotation, cotton after bhendi to stop the population of American bollworm or another sucking pest of cotton. Now, second tools of or second agronomical practices of cultural methods, trap cropping. Trap cropping means more attractive secondary crop is sown along the main crop to serve as a trap crop. Growing of subcrop around the main crop for control the pest. Example, marigold around the cotton or red gram around the cotton for control the Helicoverpa armigera. Now next, mixed cropping. It is meant to get at least some return when one crop is attacked the other scab. Example, black gram in maize crop for control the sucking pest or aphids. Now, fourth cultural practices, tillage operations. In these practices, plowing, weeding, hoeing are also done for control the pest. Deep plowing are done. Why deep plowing are done? For control the pupa of Helicoverpa armigera and remove the host of pest. Now, clean cultivation. Timely removal and destruction of crop residues like dry leaves, stubble, sticks, weed, reduce shelters and expose insect to nature. Example, burning cotton debris to reduce the bollworms, removal and destruction of stubbles in the sugarcane. Now, fourth cultural practice is use of resistance varieties. For example, Maldandi pastisek. These Maldandi pastisek resistance varieties for control the sorghum shoot fly. Okay, most important varieties or most important resistance varieties M35 1. Okay, the resistance for sorghum shoot fly. Other cultural methods like increase the seed rate and destroy the dead herds, pruning of dried branches and destruction along with pest. Community level practices like synchronized sowing, dilution of pest infestation, example rice, cotton, crop rotation, break insect life cycle, crop sanitation, removal of fallen plant parts, example cotton, squares. Advantages of cultural practices. These methods or these cultural methods are most important for control the pest. First advantage is no extra skill. Second, no costly inputs. Third, no special equipments. Fourth, minimum cost. Fifth, good component. And last, ecologically safe. No any pollutions. Disadvantages. First, no completely control. Second, prophylactic in natures. And third, timely decides success. These are the cultural methods of pest control. Means use of different or agronomical practices. Such agronomical practices like crop rotation, tillage operation, trap cropping, etc. Or such agronomical practices are adopted for control the pest. Means the cultural control. Okay. Thank you.